Creating a storybook for kids that generates a substantial passive income can be an exciting venture. In this video, we will show you how you can launch a similar business using AI technology, starting from generating a book idea to the content and high-quality illustrations. Watch the video till the end for more detailed information and valuable insights that can help you succeed in this venture. If you are browsing through Amazon in search of potential passive income ideas for your business, you'll discover storybook products for kids. If you look further into these products, you'll be astonished by the substantial profits these sellers were earning by selling such simple storybooks. For instance, one book has garnered 1,940 ratings, which, when multiplied by the price of $11.90, equated to over $23,000 in earnings. Remarkably, one particular book had generated over $81,000, and these books could be published for free using Amazon KDP. Consequently, you can create a similar book using ChatGPT, publish it on Amazon, and establish a passive income stream that generates revenue even while you sleep. Every good storybook starts with a captivating story idea, so you can create a solid outline for your storybook. You can simply ask the chatbot to generate titles for a storybook related to kids. Let's say you ask the chatbot, and among its suggestions, you have settled on the title Dylan's Adventures: The Quest for the Hidden Treasure for your exciting storybook. You ask again for its details, and it came out that the target audience for this book is children between the ages of 5 to 8 years old. It follows the story of a young boy as he embarks on a thrilling adventure in the jungle searching for a hidden treasure. Next, you requested the chatbot to generate an outline, and it provided chapter titles and detailed scenes. Chapter 1: The Mysterious Map, where Dylan is introduced as the main character and setting the stage for his adventure and building anticipation. Chapter 2: Parrot's Prophecy. This chapter contains Dylan's encounter with a wise old parrot who provides him with valuable guidance and clues. Chapter 3: Monkey Business is where Dylan faces challenges from a mischievous monkey who tries to distract him, and he must outsmart the monkey and continue his journey. Chapter 4: Encounter with Thieves. Dylan comes across a group of thieves who are also after the treasure. He must find a way to outwit the thieves and protect the treasure. And finally, Chapter 5: A Celebrated Homecoming, where the young adventurer successfully finds the hidden treasure. He is celebrated as a brave young hero and returns home with newfound confidence and friendships. Now, you have an outline. You now have a strong framework to start crafting the exciting story of Dylan as he embarks on his adventurous quest to find the hidden treasure. The next step is to create the actual story content. To do this, you can copy the first chapter, in this case, the mysterious map, and paste it into the chat. Set the prompt to write a rhythm story, allowing the AI to generate the content for you. Once the response is generated, you can read it and, if needed, regenerate the answer until you're satisfied with the results. Repeat this process for all the chapters, and within minutes, you'll have a complete story ready to be converted into a book that can generate passive income. What's even more credible is that you don't have to write anything yourself. The AI technology assists in creating the story content swiftly and efficiently. This speed and convenience allow you to have a fully developed story without the need for extensive writing. However, the story isn't complete without illustrations. Typically, commissioning artists to create illustrations can be expensive, costing thousands of dollars. But here's the mind-blowing part. The availability of free AI art generators empowers storytellers and authors to add captivating visuals to their works without the need for extensive artistic skills or substantial financial investments. It's a testament to the advancements in AI technology, making creative processes more efficient, cost-effective, and accessible to a wider audience. So, with the aid of AI-generated illustrations, you can create a visually stunning storybook that complements your narrative and captivates readers, all without the need to incur significant expenses or rely on professional artists. It's an exciting prospect that showcases the incredible possibilities of combining storytelling with AI art. When it comes to utilizing AI art generators, there is a wide range of options available. Midjourney is one of them, and it offers an exceptional experience. By joining their Discord server, you'll have access to recently generated images which are being constantly created by millions of users. To generate your own image, you'll start by typing a prompt. begin with a forward slash followed by the word imagine. Then, you can provide a description of the image you want to generate. Refer back to the story chapters you've previously generated and copy the first one. In my case, it was Dylan discovers a mysterious map leading to the hidden treasure. After you've entered the prompt, the image will begin to generate. Once it's finished, you'll see 2 rows of buttons. The top row includes U2, U3, and U4, which are used for upscaling your selected image, generating larger versions of it. The bottom row consists of V1, V2, V3, and V4, which create new variations of the image while maintaining a similar style and composition. Let's say you liked the first image and wanted to make it larger, so you clicked on U1. If you're satisfied with a particular variation, you can choose to upscale it or create additional variations. To save the image, simply right-click and open the link, then right-click again to save it to your device. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize an AI art generator like Midjourney to create captivating and original illustrations for your storybook. It's an incredible resource that allows you to bring your narrative to life with visually stunning images, all at no cost. You can also maintain a consistent style in your illustrations. By copying the image link from the first generated image and including it in the prompt before describing the new image, you can ensure that the subsequent illustrations have the same visual style. Following this approach, you can generate the second image for your chapter while preserving the desired style. For instance, you like the second version and chose to upscale it by clicking on U2. By repeating this process for all the images, you were able to generate the illustrations you needed in about 30 minutes. Now that you have generated the illustrations, let's move on to combining the text generated using ChatGPT with the images created using Midjourney. This will enable you to create a professional-looking storybook. For this step, Canva is such an efficient tool. The final step is to publish your book on Amazon to start generating passive income. Let's recap. Step 1. Generate the story idea using ChatGPT. Step 2. Generate the story outline and chapters. Step 3. Generate the illustrations using Midjourney AI art generator. Step 4. Add the story text to the images using Canva and save it as a PDF print. Step 5. Publish your book on Amazon. Step 6. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. See you next time.